अगर लगता है कि लिप्स पतले हो रहे हैं फिलर गला देती हूँ।
Not all lip filler stories end with plump perfection.
मुझे ही नहीं समझ आ रहा था मैं क्या कर रही हूँ।
But if done right, it can give one a perfect pout. Stigmatized, trolled, and even a procedure of ridiculed once, lip fillers are getting popular among more and more Indian women.
I think you should just do whatever makes you feel good about yourself.
Even though they are in trend right now, they date back to the 1900s and have somewhat of a dark origin. In the early 19th century, lip fillers were made from animal fat and they were used to reconstruct lips damaged by tuberculosis. But it did not take long for physicians in the early 1900s to offer it as a cosmetic treatment. After animal fat came liquid paraffin, but that was quickly proven to be a massive fail. By the 60s, silicone took over, giving us the notorious trout pout. Results were questionable and potentially dangerous, so the method was quickly abandoned. For a while in the 70s, surgeons were even injecting bovine or beef collagen into lips. That's a protein extracted from the bones, cartilage, and hides of cows and other bovine species. By this point, in one form or another, injectables had been around for a whole century. But it wasn't until the 90s that they really took off and human collagen was introduced. Today, fillers are a lot more sophisticated and made of hyaluronic acid. It's a substance that's found naturally in the body and in essentially every skincare product ever. But 2015 was undeniably the year that made lip fillers what they are today. Kylie Jenner confessed to using lip fillers. Soon the US was administering one every 20 minutes. Just recently, Khushi Kapoor admitted to using lip fillers too. The non-surgical, minimally invasive procedure is quick and requires little to no downtime. But in the hands of someone not so qualified, one may end up with fish lips or the infamous duck face. Massaging the lips can help resolve lumpiness, but make sure an experienced cosmetic surgeon is doing it. Or you can opt to dissolve the filler using this enzyme, which breaks down the hyaluronic acid and absorbs it naturally. The effect of lip fillers typically lasts 6 to 12 months and the procedure costs anywhere between Rs 20,000 to 40,000 per session. So whether you're going for that Khushi, Kylie or Urfi vibe, make sure you're in the right hands.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.